Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the practice 6 of measurements. Okay. Jane cycled 3 km 350 meter to the park. On her way back, she found a quicker route that was 2 km 750 meter long. What was the total distance she traveled? So we had to add these two. Okay. Three kilometer 350 meter and 2 kilometer 750 meter. I have to add this. Okay. Answer is 6 kilometer 100 meter she traveled. She traveled. Okay. Next. An earthen pot is kept at the entrance of a society so that guards and other workers get cool drinking water. The earthen pot can fill 30 glasses of 200 ml each. How many liters of water does the pot hold? We have to multiply this. Okay. 200 into 30. 200 into 30. 6,000 ml. Okay. 6,000 ml. 6,000 ml. How to convert this 6,000 ml to liter? 6 liter. Answer is 6 liter. Okay. Tisha's parents decided to celebrate her 10th birthday in an orphanage. Her grandmother made 2 3/4 kg cake and the cake was equally divided among 25 children. How much cake did each child get? Hint. First convert 2 3/4 kg into grams. Okay. Two 3/4 kg. How to convert this into gram? 2/4 means 750 gram. So 750, you have to divide this 2750 divided by 25. Okay. How much you will get? 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 25 ones are 25, 0. So answer is 110. Okay, 110 gram. Understood? Or else you can also divide like this, 2750 divided by 25. Okay, whatever you like, you can do the division. Next, bought 4.5 kg of organic tomatoes. She used 500 gram to make a salad. How many kilograms tomatoes are left for later? So we have to this. First we have to convert and then you have to subtract. 4.5 kg convert to gram. 500 gram minus 500. How much? 4000 gram. 4000 gram. You have to convert this into kilogram, right? So convert into kilogram. So answer 4 kg. Okay. Next. Kamaldeep is making lemon squash for himself and his 9 friends. He needs the following for 1 glass of squash: water 200 ml, sugar 10 gram, lemon juice 5 ml. How much of each he will need? So water, how much water he needs? For one person is 200 ml, right? So he needs 9. 200 into 9. 1800 ml. So convert this as a liter. 1 liter 800 ml. He needs 1 liter 800 ml of water. And comes to sugar. Sugar how much? 10 gram. For each 10 into 9. 90 gram. Okay. Next, lemon. Five ml. 5 into 9. 45 ml. He needs 45 ml of sugar. Lemon. Lemon juice. Understood? For this we finished our 12th chapter, measurement. Tomorrow we will see the 13th one, perimeter and area. Okay? And this worksheet I'll upload it into my WhatsApp channel, and the channel link is in my description. Please go through it. Okay? Thank you.